Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Corolla side mirror. First, carefully assess the damage to your mirror. You'll need to determine if only the mirror glass is broken or if the entire housing requires replacement. Gather your tools, including screwdrivers and a trim removal tool, and make sure you have the correct replacement part ready before you begin. To begin, you'll need to access the mirror's mounting points. Carefully remove the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect any electrical connectors that power the mirror's functions. Finally, unscrew the 3 or 4 bolts that secure the entire mirror assembly to the door frame. Now, take your new mirror assembly and carefully position it onto the door frame. Secure it firmly using the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses to ensure proper functionality. Before reassembling the door panel, it's crucial to test the mirror's electronic adjustments, turn signals, and any heating functions to confirm everything works correctly. With the new mirror installed and tested, it's time to reassemble the door. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Give the mirror a final check for alignment and adjust it to ensure you have optimal rear visibility for safe driving. And hey, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.